Helicopter pilots and fighter jet pilots have vastly different roles and challenges. Helicopter pilots must master low-altitude flying, hovering, flying backward, and making quick directional changes. Their skills are crucial for missions like transport, rescue operations, and close-range attacks. Fighter jet pilots operate at high speeds and endure intense G-forces. They are trained in air combat tactics, missile evasion, and the use of advanced radar and weapon systems. While both require exceptional skills and precise decision-making, their flight characteristics and mission types are fundamentally different.